Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today we're going to check how many tubes we can get from one potato seeds, and this is almost 2 weeks now after all the green stems died. I removed them all except the main stem, and I'm going to take care when I remove them because I don't want to scratch the tubes. This way we can preserve them for longer time in the pantry. As you can see, there is plenty of large potatoes, not many small. That's a good sign because I kept the potatoes in the ground enough time for the tubes to grow bigger and mature enough. And I'm taking them by hand slowly for that reason. And now we can see the number of them that's one seed produced. I can count around 15 large and a couple of medium size and couple of small size. And that's really good productive seed. If you like to know more about how to grow potatoes step by step, check out the longer video I made a couple of weeks ago. Please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate all your support. There's plenty of videos on how to grow veggies in a small space. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.